You have your license, registration, insurance with you?
Yes, sir.
The reason I'm stopping you for improper lane usage. Alright? You're in the left lane holding up 5 cars behind you, going below the speed limit. The left lane's a passing lane. What do you mean, what? You're going 46 miles an hour in the left lane.
I was trying to get over, sir. My bad.
Where you coming from? What?
I said, is that wrong?
314.
314, the tag comes back on a 2007 Saturn Outlook. Is that going to be the same?
No. The problem is, like I said, you're using the lane improperly. It's a passing lane. Is this your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
It's
a rental.
It's a rental?
Yes, sir.
Do you have your rental agreement?
Yeah, that's the rental agreement right there.
No, this is a red. No, this is it. Alright. This is new. Do you have the registration at all, or just this?
No, that's all they give.
Alright. Got any weapons or anything with you?
No, sir.
Where'd you get this vehicle?
Oh, the rental car place.
Where'd you get that at?
The rental car place?
No, the tag.
Problem with the time?
No. You got any weapons on you, man? Really wide. Really wide. Really wide. Really wide. Put your hands right here. Put your phone in your pocket. You're not under arrest or anything, okay? So don't worry.
314 status charge.
What's up? I said you're not under arrest.
Please don't.
I said you're not.
Can I get it?
I said you're not under arrest.
Don't no company, sir.
314
You're gonna
status
get
check.
under arrest if you keep fighting off like that.
So I got a total.
Alright, put them up front. You're not under arrest up front. Alright? Alright, come over here. Have a seat on my hood. Really?
Shit.
Think I'm stupid? What's your history? Your history is all burglaries. And then you have a bunch of plates stuck on top of each other like I'm an idiot? Come on, bro.
Postman, I'm telling you. I just left my brother's house. I'm telling you this, man.
And people just randomly go around and stick license plates on top of other vehicles, right? Because they're poor.
I'm telling you, boss.
314 69, go to. Oh, male security. We have double-sided sticky license plates on our rental cars when we've been arrested for burglary numerous years in a row. Any particular reason why a concerned citizen would stick a license plate that the owner doesn't know you have on your car? What do you do for work again?
What?
What do you do for work?
Operate crane.
What?
Operate crane and drive truck.
I can't hear you.
I said operate crane and drive truck, man.
Operates cranes and drive trucks.
So why do you have this?
I just bought the laptops. I told
The
you.
medical file with all the passwords in it. It's what? How many phones does it take to operate a crane?
I can open up your phone for you.
No, I'm just telling you, this is all real sus. When you got medical files, patient stuff, how to log into medical, patient histories, passwords, names, Aetna, Medicaid, all that. You got, what, 4 cell phones now? 2 laptops? One's a medical laptop? It's kind of shady.